Welcome to this detailed tutorial on how to measure distances between elements in Figma. We will begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Figma website. Once the page loads, you will notice a top right section where you can find a login option. Clicking on this option will allow you to sign into your account, which is necessary to access your projects and design work. After clicking on login, focus on the authentication options presented. To make the process even more straightforward, select the Continue with Google option. This choice leverages your existing Google account credentials, speeding up the sign-in process. Once you click on Continue with Google, a list of your available Google accounts will be presented. Choose the account that you want to use for Figma, and the system will authenticate you automatically. With your account verified, the next step is to open your project. In this tutorial, you will locate and access your project directly from within Figma. Simply click on the project link provided, which will take you to the design workspace. In this workspace, your project will be displayed, allowing you to inspect elements, layouts, and design details that you have previously worked on or are in the process of creating. Once your project is visible, click on your first element. This might be any object or shape that is part of the design you are examining. By selecting this element, you are preparing to measure the distance between it and another element within the same project. The next step is an important interaction. Hold the Alt key on your keyboard. When you press and hold the Alt key, Figma activates the measurement tool. This feature allows you to effortlessly visualize the spacing between different design elements. While continuing to hold the key, move your cursor and hover over the second element you wish to compare. As you do so, pay close attention to the information displayed on the screen. It is here that Figma calculates and presents a numerical representation of the distance between the two elements. Along with the number, a connecting line appears that clearly indicates the measured spacing. This visual feedback ensures that you have a precise understanding of the distances within your design. This method of measuring distances is particularly useful for ensuring alignment and consistency within your project layouts. It is a vital step in maintaining a professional and visually balanced design. Remember to release the Alt key once you have completed your measurement. The measurement indicators will disappear, and you can proceed with further adjustments or continue designing with confidence. This tutorial has provided you with straightforward steps, from logging into your Figma account using your Google credentials, to selecting your project, and finally to measuring inter-element distance. Following these instructions carefully will help you make more informed design decisions and improve the clarity of your layouts. Enjoy exploring this powerful Figma feature and refining your projects with the key insights you have gained from this tutorial.